All right, gyms, health clinics, places where people are, getting healthy. Let's talk about why you should have a healthy coffee corner, why you should have a gourmet coffee corner. And, people are walking into your gym every day with a Starbucks cup. People need to pick me up before they go into the gym, or maybe after the gym. After they're done working out, this is what they do. They go grab a protein shake, right? That's what I do. But what do? I actually add my coffee into the protein shake because it's just freaking delicious. It's so good. So, that's your potential. Not having, a pot of coffee sitting there all day waiting for one customer to buy it, but actually having coffee that's hot and gourmet and fresh every single time you pour a cup without having it sitting around going to waste. That's the potential. Throwing these packages of mocha into a protein shake, throwing a black coffee into a vanilla protein shake, so good. Try it. Check out the menus at the OrganoGold Recipes channel on YouTube, YouTube/OrganoGold Recipes, and take a look at what we've done. But these places are high traffic areas. You've got a lot of people coming through there getting healthy. A lot of people, especially this time of year, we're in the end of January, beginning of February, and a lot of these guys are, people are coming through. They're trying to get healthy. They want to get healthy. And this is your opportunity to expose them to OrganoGold and coffee corners. So as these business owners go back to business, go back to doing business as usual, they'll be, scanning the app and potentially adding value to their reception area, or even catching the vision for coffee catering, or selling by the cup, or doing fundraisers, or any of these different things. And so by having the marketing materials up in your high traffic gym, they're enjoying a cup of coffee. You're making a buck a cup on the coffee. That's not going to make anybody rich, but by introducing them through the application and the marketing materials, you can potentially have hundreds of thousands of dollars in volume underneath you. And I know you guys probably can't think that big, but I've seen this happen personally by introducing regular people that are not business owners. I've seen hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales of this coffee go through my organization based on introducing regular people. So anyways, without getting all crazy, it's easy, as simple as coffee. Set up your shop, add the marketing materials, and get going. It's pretty simple. It's not something you gotta think too much about. Just do it. All right, guys. It's easy, as simple as coffee. Talk to you soon. Bye.